Macao has really entered into a new era after the pandemic, especially with the awarding of the new licenses. I still record in year 2000, the gaming revenue for Macao was about 1.8 billion US dollars. The number of visitors less than 10 million. Based on the current run rate, the gaming revenue is getting close to 30 billion US dollars. The number of visitors is about 35 million annual visitors to Macao. I do feel comfortable regarding the future of Macao. I think that Macao, as to the outlook of the total GGR numbers, I think it will continue to grow steadily in line with the GDP expansion of this region.
As we look at the market, we're tracking the sluggishness, the weakness in the Chinese economy, and most of the visitor arrivals to Macau currently still come from mainland and also Hong Kong, 90%. Does the weakness there, can it be felt here in Macau? Do you see it?
Macau, we do feel a little bit, but in general, Macau really stands out as a unique marketplace. For example, like the total market right now is getting to around 80% of 2019 level. For MGM, I think we are very proud. We have already achieved, exceeded 2019 levels. Our EBITDA and our revenue number is already 140% and 150% of 2019 levels, respectively. Our market share has grown as well, from 9.5% right now to mid-teens. So we do have high confidence in the future of the Macau.
Can you tell me, in terms of the gaming and the non-gaming revenue contribution, what is the split right now?
I have to say, it's still not there yet. It's still effort that we need to work on. I think those numbers are our public figures. The gaming still contributes the majority of the total revenues. Okay, every company is a little bit different, but we are working very hard. The reason is because the base is not small, particularly for the gaming revenues. So for the non-gaming, whatever we do, it will take time to pick up in terms of a percentage. But the direction is there, the effort is there. All of us, we feel confident. The reason is only we are spending efforts on the non-gaming, then it will ensure the long-term prosperity of Macau, to ensure the long-term health of gaming industry, because it will receive the support from China central government, from the local community.
The health of the gaming industry, the health of the non-gaming industry, how would you rate it?
I think that's also a good question. I think Macau, definitely, we are working hard to diversify. That's the reason everybody is talking about to diversify. In the past, I would see people were focusing on opening new properties, making more money to open new properties. This is a new era. All properties, all six of us, nearly all of us, we have all properties built out. What we can do, right? We need to focus on to do more non-gaming efforts, to make sure the effort is there. As long as the effort is there, the people's confidence is there, the trust is going to be there. So it will take time, as I said, from the percentage-wise to catch up with the growth of gaming industry.